and ginger are two ingredients that are often combined to create a healthy and flavorful drink. Green tea is known for its high concentration of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Ginger contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve circulation. Together, green tea and ginger can help boost metabolism, aid in weight loss, improve digestion, and even prevent cancer. To make ginger green tea at home, you can add pounded fresh ginger root to boiling water and allow it to infuse into the water. Then place a green tea bag in a cup and pour the ginger water over the bag. Allow it to seep in for a few minutes before removing the bag. For enhanced taste and added health benefits, you can add a dollop of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. Ingredients: green tea, ginger.